Hello and welcome to today's video on 10 easy and healthy meal prep ideas. If you're someone who's always on the go or has a busy lifestyle, then meal prepping can be a lifesaver. Not only does it save time, but it also helps you stay on track with your health goals. In this video, we'll show you 10 simple and delicious meal prep ideas that you can make in advance and enjoy throughout the week. Idea 1. Mason jar salads. Mason jar salads are a great option for a healthy and convenient lunch. Simply layer your favorite veggies, protein, and dressing in a mason jar and you're good to go. Idea 2. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a perfect breakfast option that can be made in advance. Mix rolled oats with your favorite milk, sweetener, and toppings like nuts, fruits, and seeds. Leave it in the fridge overnight and grab it on the go in the morning. Idea 3. Quinoa bowls. Quinoa bowls are a nutritious and filling meal that can be customized to your liking. Cook quinoa in a broth, add veggies, protein, and dressing of your choice, and pack it in a container. Idea 4. Stir fry. Stir fry is a quick and easy dinner option that can be prepped ahead of time. Simply stir fry your favorite veggies and protein, and pack it in a container with rice or noodles. Idea 5. Vegetable soup. Vegetable soup is a comforting and healthy meal that can be made in bulk and stored in the freezer. Make a big pot of soup with your favorite veggies, broth, and seasonings, and portion it into containers for an easy meal prep option. Idea 6. Roasted vegetables. Roasted vegetables are a simple and delicious side dish that can be paired with any meal. Roast your favorite veggies in the oven with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and pack them in a container. Idea 7. Turkey meatballs. Turkey meatballs are a healthy and protein-packed option that can be made in advance and stored in the freezer. Make a big batch of meatballs with ground turkey, breadcrumbs, and seasonings, and pack it in a container with your favorite veggies and carbs. Idea 8. Greek yogurt parfaits. Greek yogurt parfaits are a tasty and nutritious breakfast or snack option. Layer Greek yogurt, fruits, nuts, and granola in a container and store it in the fridge for an easy grab-and-go option. Idea 9. Veggie wraps. Veggie wraps are a filling and healthy lunch option that can be made in advance. Spread hummus or avocado on a whole wheat tortilla, add veggies and protein of your choice, and wrap it up tightly. Idea 10. Baked sweet potatoes. Baked sweet potatoes are a simple and satisfying side dish that can be prepped ahead of time. Bake sweet potatoes in the oven, and pack them in a container with your favorite toppings like butter, cinnamon, and nuts. Conclusion, and that's it. With these 10 easy and healthy meal prep ideas, you can save time and money, and stay on track with your health goals. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.